Yo, what's going on, guys? It's the Ecom boss, and in today's video I will be coming with a Halloween strategy for how to dropship on Halloween. If you're one of the guys who wants to make money, or maybe you even think, is it possible to make money during Halloween? Well, you will get the answers in this video. So I'm going to talk about my past winners on Halloween, because I have actually been dropshipping a lot on Halloween products earlier. However, I'm probably not going to do it this year. I will explain to you guys how I would dropship on Halloween and how you could do it. If you should use influencers, Facebook ads, what types of products you should dropship, what to avoid, how to do this, that will basically be sort of a strategy. There will also be some pros and cons, because there are a couple of downsides to Halloween which I will get into. I don't know yet if I will go over all the bad stuff early or the good stuff early. I don't know, we will see really soon. Well, before this video starts, if you go down and you smash a like on this video, make sure you go down and subscribe to my channel, because we're super close to 2,000 subscribers. That would mean the world to me. And guys, if you want to get into my coaching program, September just started, so we have so many spots open for everyone who wants to get in, or at least a couple of people. You can message me on Instagram here, and if you just want to follow me, that's cool as well. So let's just get straight into the Halloween video. So Halloween is coming up, and it's not going to be too long either. I think it's like around 2 months now. However, people are most likely not in the mood to buy now. Looks like we're going over the negative parts first. However, guys, stick with me. I'm gonna drop a strategy, but please just wait. We're gonna do the negative parts first, everything I don't like about it. But if you stay until the end, you will hear how to make money on Halloween as well. Because yeah, I might say so much bad stuff about Halloween now, but there's a lot of good stuff to it as well. So just bear with me here, and you will hear the bad things and also the strategies now to make money. So Halloween is a season where you could actually make a lot of money super quick. However, it will not last. So the reason I do not like Halloween is because people are truly not in the mood to buy Halloween masks right now. And you guys might say, Henrik, I got a store, I made 3 sales on a mask. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, that's not a lot of money. So people, first of all, are most likely not in the mood to buy Halloween stuff already. It's super early, especially not in Norway, for example. People wouldn't prepare for Halloween before. It's got to be like 5 to 7 days before. Second of all, Halloween is going a little bit down, at least in a lot of countries. It's not as big as it used to. However, people still like Halloween. It's still a thing. People still watch scary movies and all that stuff, but trick or treat is maybe getting a little bit older than it used to be, and selling masks, all that stuff is probably what you are going to aim for as well. However, the people, and make sure you drop a like on this video, subscribe so we can get 2,000 subscribers. The people that's gonna buy the Halloween mask, the thing that just sounds super scary to me about this, and I've seen this as well, but I've also made Halloween work. What's so scary to me is that people are not in a mood to buy a Halloween mask right now. That's the bad part of it, because why should you buy a Halloween mask this 20th of September? Like, this is a season that people will prepare for the last 7 days before. It's like, even though it's the 1st or 10th of October, will people actually buy Halloween masks? Like, my store started selling like crazy like 4, 5 to 7 days before Halloween, so my shipping wouldn't be able to actually reach out to them. So if you have a 30-day shipping, which most likely some of you guys actually do have, however, guys, if you have 7-day shipping, you could score big on Halloween. Just a little tip here. But if you have a 30-day shipping, you know, you're a regular dropshipper from AliExpress, like you have a 30-day shipping, people are most likely not going to buy the 1st of October, and it's going to be 30 days till the 31st of October, right? Which means this is going to be hard, because if people purchase their mask from you the 20th of October, they might not get it the 31st. You will probably get a chargeback, or, you know, similar stuff like that. You don't want to get in that situation. But that's what just terrifies me about Halloween, and dropshippers don't know exactly what they're doing, because you will just get charged back because the mask didn't arrive. Because keep in mind, yeah, you might have a no chargeback policy or whatever, but like, they buy it for Halloween. It would just be wrong of you to ship it out days after, right? And that's just the scary part, that people, they're not in the mood to buy early, and your shipping time is long, which means it's gonna be hard. Like, if they buy 30 days before, that's not really a scenario, because they don't really do it. They buy like 5 to 7 days before, and then it's too late because your shipping is too slow. If you're gonna do Halloween, you gotta set up a system that ships out super quick. That's just my tip. Second of all, is like, Halloween masks usually don't have the best of a margin. Now we're just talking about masks though in this video, but that's just because I think that's the best thing to sell. However, you could be scrolling AliExpress, you know, and find a lot of cool stuff you could sell. It doesn't have to be a mask, but I'm just saying, like, if you were to sell a mask, it'll probably not be the best margin, because you probably buy it for $7, and nobody usually wants to buy a mask for $40. So I'm gonna roll up a footage right now, a screenshot of the Purge LED mask. Used to buy this for $7 and sell for like 25, and that product is super unique. It sells every Halloween. I know it's super saturated, but it will probably still sell to this year as well. So if I were to do Halloween, I would actually just run that product, because I know it sells every season. It doesn't really look like it's getting outdated either. later. Problem here is, guys, people are undercutting each other. I know people probably sell it for $18, but if you're gonna sell it on Facebook, for example, it would go up to $25, even $29 actually, to make a margin. It's got to be almost $29, unless you get a super big good deal on AliExpress though. But now you guys know everything about the shipping, why I think it will be really hard with chargebacks, how to get money out of it, and how to get people to buy with your long shipping policy. But guys, before you just drop the hate comment of like shipping is not a problem, that's cool if you have 7-day shipping. I'm just talking generic, you know, for people that don't have 7-day shipping. Should you run this on Facebook or Instagram? If you're going to run a mask, for example, you would actually go by Instagram, in my opinion. Keep in mind, there's no right or wrong here, right? You know, some people might do Facebook successfully. I might do Facebook successfully. I actually done Facebook successfully, but people started hating on me, sending emails about they didn't get their order before Halloween. So it's just a huge problem, honestly. But I would actually sell this on like viral pages, you know, Fortnite pages. I would actually target gamers, for example, meme pages. Like, I think that's the way to go, you know, selling it on, for example, a Fortnite page. I've seen that work years and years and years. Like, that's the way to go. However, on Facebook, you would have to, you know, to test different interests. First of all, would you be able to actually start scaling before Halloween? Because if you test it in September, this test is most likely going to be a failure because people are not in the mood to buy. Second of all, if you start testing it in October, are you going to be on time to, you know, get into the scaling phase before Halloween? Do you actually have the winner working when you're getting close to Halloween, or are you still testing? You know, that's why I would never aim for a season like this. I would rather focus on Q4, you know, Black Friday, trying to pop a winning product that you could sell on Black Friday, Cyber Week, Cyber Monday, Black Weeks, stuff like that, and also Christmas. Rather, instead of just putting, you know, your whole soul into Halloween, you should be focusing on Black Weeks, Q4, that, you know, similar things like that, because that's actually a place where you want to have your winner prepared. So if you're going to do Halloween and then you get into November, Black Friday's coming up soon in November, right? So if you're going to then start testing again because you were doing Halloween, so now you're back to testing again because you didn't prepare for it, because you were too busy doing Halloween, which is a short-term game, probably lasts you 5 to 10 days maximum. Like, that's not a way to go. You rather just want to keep testing products, trying to find a winner for Q4. But like I said, guys, you don't want to do this on Facebook because it will cut through your margin, because people are undercutting each other, right? So if you sell a mask, you buy it for $7, some people actually just buy it for $5 and sell for $18. On Facebook, you'll probably spend some money to make that sale too, with the ROAS, everything like that, which means it will probably be hard to actually get a good margin because you will have to price it higher. But why would you have to price it higher? Because the people will go to your competitors, which means Facebook is sort of like in the trash can, like in the last video, because it's not really going to be a point with you spending money to make money, and you also have to buy it. So it's just be a super bad margin. I don't think the margin will exist at all. I think you will be losing money because you can't just sell it for $39 because someone else is selling it for $18. However, you can do Facebook if you find something that maybe it's not a mask, or it could be a new mask, something we haven't seen before, something without competitors. But if you're doing a competitive type of product, which basically everything will be for Halloween, because there's nothing interesting that's not competitive normally, but you can always find something, then I would probably go by Instagram pages. I feel like it's the best way to go. You can even do Snapchat stories, you know, just pay influencers. It could be anywhere. It could be TikTok. TikTok could actually be super smart if you're selling the Purge LED mask I showed you guys earlier. TikTok could be smart. The mask will probably start picking up some sales soon. But like I said, people probably not in the mood to buy already now, and that just makes me terrified. It makes me scared to see how you guys are people gonna start buying maybe the 15th to 20th of October, and are you gonna reach out with the shipping? Even if you have a 7-day shipping, like, people not gonna buy too early before, so you're probably not going to make too much money. You're just going to be stuck in testing and, you know, making a couple of dollars. So that's my take on Halloween, guys. Please drop a like on this video. Make sure you subscribe. No, the video is not over yet. I just wanted to quickly make sure I tell you guys to, I know, already said it, but focus on Black Friday, guys. But my strategy, though, like I said, because there will be a strategy here, is to go for influencers. You want to get cheap shout outs, and you just want to mass produce, mass sell. You're not going to mass produce because AliExpress does that for you, but you just want to sell a lot of these products, and you could buy a shout out for $20. You sell your product for $18. You buy it for $7. That's a decent margin. If you sell a couple of them, you already made your money back. So influencers is the way to go, because you want to make the thing go viral, right? And you want to make sure people buy it as early as possible, but will they buy too early? That's just why I'm scared of Halloween. I made it work. I made some sales with actually had a good Halloween store a couple of years ago, but it was not long term. The data didn't really last either, because not typical data you use the whole year. It's more like data for the next year. So I could use my last year's Halloween email list, for example, run it this year. That's the way to go. But the data will be short term too, because you can only use it once a year for such a limited time, right? So focus up on the Black Friday weeks, Q4, you know, Cyber Week, Cyber Monday, Black Weeks, Black Friday. Try to pop a winner there instead, because I'll tell you guys, yeah, you say like, I'm gonna do Halloween and I'm also gonna focus on Q4 finding a winner. That's gonna be hard. hard, guys. Just rather focus on popping a good winner, because it is the best time of the year to find a winning product. For every day that goes by now, it's just going to be easier and easier to find a winner because we're getting closer to Q4. Is it easy? It's not easy, but it's going to be way easier. So I would probably, if I were you guys in Q4, start testing products around October so you can have your winner already at least the 1st of November, so you can just scale. If you guys want me in tomorrow's video to drop a Q4 strategy on how to make a lot of money in the Black Week's Q4, you guys, Q4 is coming up soon, in less than a month now. So if you want me to make a strategy on that, please drop a comment down below. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, because we're super close to 2,000 subscribers. Also, guys, let me know, do you want the 2,000 subscribers special? Please drop a comment on what the special should be, and you'll be seeing me in the next video.